In this video, we present the top 12 social services and human services software platforms, including some of the best solutions available today for social workers, case managers, nonprofits, coordinators, and human services organizations. But first, here is the situation. Many organizations and practitioners are still dealing with using siloed systems and tools, which includes using Excel. And they are running into operational challenges that is making it harder to deliver quality client services effectively. Which is why in this video, we are presenting you with the top 12 human services and social services software platforms so that you can know exactly which platform fits your organizational size, budget, and caseload. We will compare features, usability, strengths, limitations, and ideal use cases across today's leading social service software and human services platforms. And also, stay until the end because we will show you how to start a free trial today of one of these top platforms. So let's jump right into it. The first platform on our list is Case Management Hub. Case Management Hub is built for small to mid-sized social services organizations, nonprofit teams, and human services providers looking for an easy-to-use, all-in-one case management platform. One of the many reasons why organizations consider Case Management Hub one of the best social service platforms is because it simplifies day-to-day operations without overwhelming you or your team with unnecessary complications. Staff can manage cases, document interactions with clients, stakeholders, and volunteers, as well as with other staff. They can assign tasks, they can monitor follow ups, and they can collaborate across different practices from one centralized system. Case Management Hub also helps social workers, case managers, and coordinators reduce paperwork and manual data entry by streamlining workflows and keeping client information organized in real time. Reporting tools make it easier for leadership to monitor outcomes, track performance metrics, and prepare compliance documentation. Another area where Case Management Hub stands out among top human services software platforms is usability. The platform is designed to help you and your team onboard quickly and start improving operational efficiency without long implementation cycles. The catch is this: Case Management Hub is designed primarily for small and mid-sized organizations. So agencies with highly complex enterprise level workflows or with hundreds of staff may require deeper customization or broader enterprise infrastructure. The next organization and platform on our list is Bonterra Apricot. Bonterra Apricot is built for nonprofits and community organizations focused heavily on outcomes tracking and grant reporting. The platform helps you and your team centralize participant records, monitor program performance, and generate reports that support funding requirements and impact measurement. Organizations that rely heavily on grants often appreciate the reporting flexibility and data visualization capabilities. The catch is this, which is reporting configurations and advanced workflows may require additional setup and staff training, especially for organizations without dedicated technical support. Now, one thing I would like to emphasize here is at any point in time, you can pause this video or you can rewind this video to re-listen to things that I just went over. However, after reviewing each one of these organizations and platforms, at the very end of this video, we will give you a recommendation as to which one you should go with based on your organizational needs. Okay? All right, so the next platform is CareLogic by Qualifacts. CareLogic by Qualifacts is built for behavioral health providers and larger human services organizations that are managing both clinical and operational workflows. One of the biggest strengths for this platform is combining EHR functionality, scheduling, billing, and case management into one connected environment. This can help organizations reduce system fragmentation and improve coordination across your respective departments. It is particularly valuable for organizations that are balancing compliance requirements with high client volumes. But here's the catch. Smaller to mid-sized nonprofits or social service teams may find the platform more complex than necessary for their need. If you are only looking for lightweight case management functionality, then this particular platform might not really be the right one for you. But if you are a large organization, then you want to consider this platform for your needs. The next platform on this list is Casebook. Now, Casebook is built for government agencies and organizations managing complex family services and child welfare programs. The platform focuses heavily on workflow automation, coordinated care planning, and cross-agency collaboration. You and your teams can manage detailed case histories, monitor service delivery, and improve communication between departments. Now, organizations handling highly structured compliance processes often benefit from this platform's workflow-driven approach. But here's the catch, though. The catch is that implementation and configuration timelines can be longer for larger agencies with highly customized operational structures. The next platform on our list is CharityTracker. They are built for nonprofits, faith-based organizations, and food assistance programs looking for affordable client tracking software. The platform helps teams simplify intake processes, monitor referrals, and document services without requiring a higher technical setup. Many smaller organizations appreciate how quickly they can start tracking client interactions and generating basic reports. It can be especially useful for organizations who are transitioning away from spreadsheets and paper-based systems. Here is the catch, though. The catch is that organizations needing advanced customization or enterprise-level analytics may eventually outgrow the platform's capabilities. The next on our list is Civica iCasework. They are built primarily for public sector organizations and local government human services departments. The platform helps agencies centralize citizen service requests, improve case visibility, and streamline internal workflows. If your organization falls under this type of organization lists, then you and your teams can be managing large volumes of community services, and you can benefit from these platforms' structured case management environment. The platform also supports stronger accountability and service coordination across departments. The catch is that the platform is more heavily geared toward government workflows, which may not align as naturally with smaller nonprofit operations. The next platform is ETO Software. ETO Software is built for organizations that place a strong emphasis on participant outcomes and long-term impact measurement. What do I mean by that? The platform allows you and your team to track participant progress, monitor service effectively, and analyze program performance over time. Organizations that are focused on evidence-based reporting often value this platform's ability to connect service delivery with measurable outcomes. It can also help you and your leadership team improve strategic planning using data-driven insights. The catch is this: advanced reporting customization may require a learning curve for organizations new to outcome-focused analytics systems. The next platform on our list of top social services and human services platforms is Foothold Technology Awards. They are built for nonprofits needing highly configurable case management workflows. The platform gives organizations flexibility to customize forms, workflows, and documentation processes based on their operational needs. So you and your teams managing multiple programs, you will appreciate the adaptability and compliance tracking features for this platform. It also supports centralized documentation and improved organizational consistency. What is the catch? The catch is that the same flexibility that makes the platform powerful can also increase onboarding and configuration time for new users. Next on this list is KaleidaCare Solutions. They are built specifically for foster care, child welfare, and family services organizations. The platform helps agencies manage placements, caregiver records, compliance documentation, and case coordination more efficiently. Organizations handling foster care operations often benefit from their easy to use workflows that are designed around child welfare requirements. The platform also supports communication and documentation across multiple stakeholders involved in care delivery. The catch is that the catch is that its specialization in welfare may make it less ideal for organizations who are seeking broader general purpose social service software. Let us now go over the remaining three platforms, and then we will go over which one of these 12 platforms you should go with based on your organization's need. Next on this list is Penelope by Athena Software. This platform is built for multi-program nonprofits, and health and human services organizations managing diverse service lines. The platform centralizes scheduling, case documentation, service planning, and reporting into one environment. Operations, Organizations that are operating across multiple operations and programs often appreciate the ability to standardize workflows while maintaining visibility across departments. It also supports stronger operational coordination and reporting consistency. The catch is this: some organizations report a steeper learning curve during implementation, particularly when configuring multiple workflows simultaneously. The next on this list is Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud. This platform is built for enterprise nonprofits and agencies needing advanced CRM functionality alongside case management and analytics. One major advantage is the broader Salesforce ecosystem, which allows organizations to integrate donor management, client engagement automation, and reporting into one scalable platform. Large organizations with dedicated technical teams often value the flexibility and integration potential. The catch is that implementation costs, customization requirements, and ongoing administration can become expensive and resource intensive for smaller organizations. Last but not the least, we have WellSky Social Services. They are built for organizations focused on coordinated care and community based service delivery. The platform helps agencies manage referrers, coordinate services, and improve visibility across care networks. Organizations handling multi provider collaboration often benefit from its care coordination capabilities. The catch, though, is that smaller organizations may find the enterprise oriented structure more robust than what they actually need from a day to day perspective. So now that we have reviewed all 12 best social services and human services software platform, let us now go over which one you should select based on your organizational needs. If your team wants an all-in-one platform that is easy to use for managing cases, programs, staff, volunteers, clients, and stakeholders, as well as for intake and assessments, notes, task tracking, secure communication, and a platform that is HIPAA compliant, then you want to go with Case Management Hub. But if you need strong grant reporting and outcome tracking, then Bonterra Apricot may be the better fit for you. If your organization is heavily focused on grants, participant outcomes, or impact reporting, then Bonterra Apricot and ETO Software may be better aligned with your needs. If you manage behavioral health services and clinics, then you want to consider going with CareLogic by Qualifacts or Case Management Hub. And if your organization is focused on government or child welfare cases, then Casebook or KaleidaCare Solutions may be the best fit. If affordability and simplicity are your top priorities, then you want to consider going with CharityTracker or Case Management Hub. And if you need highly customizable workflows, then consider going with Foothold Technology Awards. And if you want enterprise CRM integrations and scalability, then you want to go with Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud. And if coordinated care and community service collaboration are your top priorities, then you want to go with WellSky Social Services or Case Management Hub. At the beginning of this video, I promised to show you how to start a free trial of one of the top platforms featured in this ranking, and here it is. If you want to explore a top social service software platform designed to help social workers, case managers, coordinators, and human services teams to simplify your current workflows, to improve collaboration, to reduce paperwork, and also manage cases more effectively, you can start a free trial today of Case Management Hub. The free trial gives you and members of your organization the opportunity to explore the platform, evaluate it to see if it is best for your organization and needs. The link for the free trial is under this video. So when you click on that link, it will bring you to this page. Just enter your first name, your last name, email. We recommend you include a phone number for two-way authentication. Enter your organization name and also select your practice area. And then after you sign in, it will bring you to the main dashboard that allows you to perform quick actions. Let us take a quick look at some of the key functionality of this platform. You can add clients, you can view existing forms, or you can actually create forms. You can also upload current forms that your organization uses. You can click here to add notes, or when adding a client, you can add notes and also send forms to that client. You can add a task for you and your team. You can also add a staff. We recommend that when you sign up, you immediately come in to add your staff. Just click on add staff, enter their first name, last name, email, and also their role. You can give them employee role, which just allows them to see clients that are assigned to them. If you want them to be able to see all clients, including those not assigned to them, you can give them admin role. And then you can also send them a message, an email that you have added them to the Case Management Hub for you and them to be able to test out the system. After you add a staff, you can come back here and add another staff. You can add up to 10 staff members to ensure that everyone is able to test out the system and then provide a general consensus. You can also add a program, right? A lot of organizations, they have programs. So you can enter a program, you can assign clients to programs, you can create a client group. You can also send intake forms to clients for them to fill it out. You can view clients, you can edit clients, you can also schedule appointments, as well as also add locations. If you look to the left sidebar, you will also see similar functionalities that allow you to perform any of these quick actions. And don't forget to like this video, as that lets me know that you have received value from it. You can also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss great content like this one.